Now, this is for AUD USD. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you please click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, follow us on Telegram. The link will be in the comment section. Let's take a look at AUD USD for today. Let's start with this movement. We can see that AUD USD has literally been ranging within this level. This will be seen as the support level, right? And this would be seen as the resistance. You see, from this support level, price came to our resistance, then dropped our support, came to our resistance. Eventually, this was like a breakout. A lot of traders were actually hoping to see buy from here, which of course supposed to give us that buy, but took out a lot of traders movement. Came here, a lot of traders were selling, took out a lot of traders. So with this movement right now, AUDUSD is actually dropping right now. So one thing we would be expecting today on AUDUSD is that we will be expecting major news today, which is the FOMC. We need to keep an eye on it. So if this statement that would be released today comes out in favor of the dollar, then we expect dollar to give us a bullish move. If that dollar give us a bullish move, then of course you all know what will happen. AUD will fall. But if in case it does not come out in favor of the dollar and the dollar falls, unfortunately, we are going to be seeing a bullish move to the upside on AUD/USD. So we just need to keep an eye on this movement. So with this kind of movement, let's see what AUD/USD will actually show us. Let's see if AUD/USD will give us more bullish move before the FOMC statement. This I'm not really sure about it, but let's see if AUD/USD will give us a bullish move to this level of 0.67185 before the statement, or possibly or probably a level of 0.6749. Let's say any one of it. If AUD/USD can give us a bullish move and the news comes out in favor of the dollar, right, then AUD/USD will start falling and we will be seeing this drop to this support level. Anyway, we are going to cover it soon. So to those of you that are struggling traders, you are having trouble growing up your accounts, right, you are actually struggling traders, you can actually sign up to our Patreon channel. You will see the link to our Patreon channel in the comment section. There we will be putting out high probability trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is what we will be sharing. In-depth analysis on why we are taking such trade, so you can learn one or two things. So these are some of those trades we actually took day yesterday and day before yesterday. WTI, which was on Monday, and WTI, which was on Tuesday. I'll be putting the link to this playlist so you can go there to watch it. We are also currently looking at gold right now. So if gold eventually give us what we want, I'm going to be sharing it also with you guys on this channel. Also, gold is currently moving to our direction. We will be closing our profits soon on gold. So if in case you're interested, all you just have to do, simple, go to the comment section, sign up to our Patreon channel, and you'll get access to those trades we will be sharing there.